Hi mga 18! Samahan niyo ako sa SB19 Simula at Wakas World Tour Concert. And trivia lang guys, this is actually the first time that I'll be attending a concert. Kasi even before, I'm not usually a concert goer, but my sisters made me do. And siguro after sa video na to, magiging 18 na din ako. But right now, I consider myself as casual. So, I won't be showing a lot of my face in this video because I know na si SB19 yung pinunta niyo because of this vlog. But anyway, let's start with what's in my bag. Okay guys, so this is what is my go-to bag kapag papasok na ako ng Philippine Arena because some of the stuffs, I think I might have to leave it at the car. So, here, I'll bring my wallet, my other phone, just in case may kailangan ng tawagan, a brush, in case may initan ako, I have cool fever, wipes, of course, then the Jisoo Life, kasi syempre mainit sa loob ng arena, some meds, I have my medicine kit here, may inhaler kasi asthmatic ako, some mints, then chargers, power banks, yeah. Lalagyan ng power bank and some IDs. Ito, yan na lang yung ID. And yeah, some of my lip balm. So there, that is my go-to bag na dadalhin ko sa loob ng arena. So there. So inayos ko lang yung mga gamit ko dito and tada, fit check.
Fit check kasi magmumukha ako mamayang pack check. Oh, books. 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 Parang tatakbo nito Running man.
Okay, so at this point, papunta na kami ng Philippine Arena and we were really excited to the point na nagsisigawan kami sa loob ng sasakyan and malalaman niyo kung gaano kami kasira ulo. But anyway, we left the hotel around 12 p.m. but I suggest it is much better to leave earlier kasi ang hirap makahanap ng parking spot, guys. Legit. So, despite na may kasama pa kaming PWD, so luckily we were able to secure a spot at parking A1.
Son, effective. Ara na Oh my God! Dumaybi ko! Wala pa gani. Oh my God! Pabla! Oh my God!
Welcome to a day in my life as a casual na kasama ang mga solid 18 fans na maiingay sa loob ng sasakyan. Mabuhay, mabuhay.
Oh my God! Tiasan na.
So at this point, tinahanap na lang nagtatry kami makasecure ng parking spot sa parking A. But luckily yun nga may nahanap kami. So while we were waiting, dito na lang kami nag-lunch sa car. So lumabas muna kami to get some freebies. So ayun, ang saya lang kasi I was able to meet a lot of 18 fans na namimigay ng mga freebies. And by the way, this is me na nakikipagsiksikan but unfortunately, but luckily, I was still able to secure some goodies naman na bigay ng mga 18 fans. And there, I was able to secure some. And shout out po pala kay Marius HK. Thank you so much po. I was able to get some of your freebies. Love you po. And there, we are back at the car kasi sobrang init sa labas. So we have decided na sasakyan na lang. So we were resting, may na-notice ako sa Himpapawid na may nagpapalipad ng aerial banner. And ito yun, it says, "The world is yours, SB19, heart." Ganon. Yeah. So, dito ko nasasabi na sobrang solid ng mga 18 kasi na-afford nila yung mga ganito. Like, paano? Guys, paki-explain. Pag ganito yung kay Galante, count me in. Gusto ko rin yun. But anyway, here we are. Nandito na kami sa PWD section ng arena. Since si Mama PWD, so they allowed only one company to be with her. So ako yon and I was able to secure a spot on this VIP area, and somehow medyo okay naman yung view, but on the following day, kasi since I have a day 2, I'll be vlogging that as well. So there was a day 2 where nasa lower bench kami, but this one is since upper box yung nakuha namin for the first day, kasi nga nakipagpuksaan kami on the first day para sa mga tickets. So ito yung spot na para sa mga PWD area, and it's not crowded, which is I really like. But okay din naman na crowded kasi parang there's the fun, and at this point medyo parang ano daw yung mga kalokohan daw nasa upper box, so sila yung nagpapasimuna. And here we go, the iconic fan wave. Ito yon. So nakipag ano din kami dito, which is sobrang saya kasi ang daming sobrang creative ng mga creative na mapaglaro yung mga imagination ng mga 18 fans na nagagawa nila tong mga ganito. But here, we are finally starting the countdown, and I will be shutting up because I know this is what you're waiting for.
tender moments, perfect faces next to mine, we don't show it. I'm thinking of the times of emotion, my desires they keep from my emotions, my emotions. Would you let me on? Would you just be my man? I don't need no light, just be you. Shine to you. I'm about to live it up when you and I don't know what's up. So only when you trying to find a better. There's only things you till we want to do. Let's not waste our time. Try to reconnect. Hanggang nakakambado, parang lubang napupumilit kahit imbitado. Buyang tado, desperado, magpapay. Wala mong para sa kanya. Huwag naman nakakang sumali sa'yo. Daming pati pong nag-aabang siya sa tabi. Pasensya ko'y medyo maiseo. Baka makitang inaman mo. Who's the boss now? I just ngayon, pwede ba yun? Pwede ba? Paangasan na to, paangasan na. Ready na ba kayo? Memorize nyo ba yung lyrics? Oo. Adios! Gayahin niyo lang ako ha. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait a second, cause we going to the top. Wait a second now, from the back to the wait a second, cause we going to the top. Hey, wait a bit and now from the bottom. Wait a second, cause we going to the top. Hey, wait a bit and now from another stop, let's go. Move it up, what's up? Shoot 'em up, move up, don't care. is our anthem. Sing this one with us. It's all I share. Kasi nandito po ang aking nanay ngayon. Lagi siya nandito. Ano, nakasafata. Pero for the first time, nakapanood na po ako ng aking papa ngayon. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko po alam ba na i-perform ito sa akin niya. Pero dahil po, nandito siya ngayon, matry ko pang mas katagal. Gusto ko lang po sabihin na, kung kayo din, broken family, I hope hindi pa ako huli para sa inyo. Para kahit pa paano, mabuo ang mga peace sa buhay niyo. Para po sa lahat ng ating mga mapa, para sa inyo po ito. Ako'y nagpapasalamat. Maliwanag. Marami pa, Junard.
Ano ba gusto mo gawin?
Yun talaga eh, stage fright.
Alam mo, marami rin akong gustong gawin kasi lumalaki na yung mga bata, oh.
Kaya na sila lumaki.
Tara, 18. Kahit ano mangyari, kahit ano pang maabot natin, isa lang ang gusto namin sabihin sa inyo. 18! Salamat!
Sa lahat ng sumabay sa paglalakbay, papatungo sa aking pangarap. Lagi ko kayong tanaw sa paglipad. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng sumabay sa paglalakbay. Itutuloy sa aking pangarap. Lagi ko kayong tanaw sa paglipad. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa mga naniwala sa aking abilidad. Sa pagkakapanapanayan, tatanungin ko kayo sa aking paglipad. Salamat sa, thank you very much. Salamat sa, thank you very much. Sabihin mo yung mga kayaman namin na dahil ang mga tamis na karanasan. Kahit pa umulang ng umalasang di ko na naman kasi lagi ka rin sa aking pangarap. Lagi ko kayong tanaw sa paglipad. Ako'y Ako'y nagpapasalamat. Ako rin kami nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng sumabay sa paglalakbay tungo sa ating pangarap. Lagi kayong sa paglipad.
Dahil kay 18, maraming salamat sa inyo. Tayo ay magpipicture. Eh, di ba? Okay ba yun? Magpipicture tayo? Let's go!
1, 2, 3! Simula at bukas!
Thank you so much, everyone!
Maraming salamat, 18. Thank you so much.
Okay, so this is where we wrap it up. See you on part 2.